Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In previous tutorial, we learned how to create a schema and then created a table in that particular schema. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to insert, update and delete data. Let's assume there is a person who owns a movie rental business and he wants to store all of his information into a database. We're going to start off with creating a schema named rental business and then use this use statement to select that particular schema. After that, he wants to create a table named movies, which consists the record of all the movies, director, the release date, real release year, and number of copies available in his showroom, right? In his shop. So let's move on creating a table. So to create a table, we use this create statement and then specify the table name, which has a column ID, title of the movie, and the director of the movie, the release year, genre of the movie, duration, and number of available copies. Let's run this command and create this table. Okay, so let me refresh this. Okay, so we have this table now, movies, and now we want to insert a data into this particular table. So for that, we use the insert into command to insert data into this table. Alright, so we have this command insert into, which goes like insert into, and you specify the table name along with the column in that particular table and then values that you want to enter. I want to enter these four rows, which has the title Godfather, Black Widow, Suicide Squad, which has the genre action, adventure, comedy, and the number of copies available for this particular movie, right? So let's run this command and insert this data into a table movies. All right, let's see how it looks in table. For that, I'm gonna use select all from schema name, rental business, and then table name. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so we have the data in our table. Let's assume that the demand for this movie Suicide Squad has increased and you want to increase the available copies in your shop. So you want to update this from 8 to 16. So for that you use update command to update the data in your database. Let's see how it looks in action. So to update data in a table, we use this update command, right? And the syntax for update command is pretty simple. You just specify the update command and then the table in which you want to update. And then you say, okay, set available copies because I want to update this column available copies and set it to 16. But you have to make sure that you also have specified the where clause, where condition in this update statement, because if you don't specify this where condition or this where clause, it will update all the values in that column. Let's say I have specified ID equals to 3, so it will only update the available copies equal to 16 where ID is equals to 3. Let's run this command and see how it reflects. Okay, so I will run again. Same command, select all from schema name, rental business, and then table name. Alright, the value has been updated and it only updated only on the ID equals to 3. And let's say if I haven't specified this where clause, then it would have updated all the values. Like you would see 16 here, 16 here, 16 here, and like on all the records. So you have to like make sure that you have like clearly defined this where clause when you update a values in a table. Okay, so last but not least, now we have to delete a record from our table. Let's assume that the last movie is like a really old movie and the people are not going to buy this or purchase this, and I want to get rid of this record from our database, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the delete statement to delete this particular record, and the syntax is pretty easy. So we're going to use this delete command. It goes like delete from, and then you specify the table name, and also you have to specify the where condition as well, because you have to tell the SQL that I want to delete this particular record, not all the records, right? So you specify where ID equals to 4. I want to delete this record which has a ID 4. So let's run this command and see how it reflects into our table. Okay, so I will run again, same command, select all from schema name and then table name. Alright, so the record has been deleted from our table. So this is how we update, insert and delete record from our tables. It's pretty simple, right? So we're gonna wrap up this session here and see you in next lecture.